Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing super easy way to utilize scrap or leftover fabric. I have used plain fabrics, but you can mix and match prints, solid colors as well. So let's get started. I'm using magenta fabric as yoke, and this is 9 inch in length, and white fabric is 17 inch in length. I have folded both fabrics twice in width. Now mark ½ inch seam allowance on the white fabric. Join these points. Similarly, leave ½ inch of seam allowance on the magenta fabric. Overlap the pieces like this. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 4.5 inch. Mark ½ inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'm deducting ½ inch as this is sleeveless top. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and again join it to the shoulder slope point. I have marked the vertical measurements from the top at 10.5 inch shoulder to burst point, at 14 inch shoulder to waist, at 21 inch shoulder to hip, and the length of the top, that is 24 inch. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, again I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 3 is 31, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.75 inch. For hip, I'm adding 4 inch of ease. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 plus 4 is 42, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curves. So marking of top is completed. Now I'll cut it. I've cut the top and I have marked the neckline. Neck depth is 3.5 inch. Again mark neck width point, that is 4.5 inch, and join these points and draw the neckline shape. Now I'll cut it. To cut front armhole curve, Separate the back. Again fold it. Now I'll cut the front armhole curve. So cutting off my top is completed. Now I'll stitch it. Firstly, I'll attach the bodies and the yoke. For that, place the yoke on the bodies, right sides together, and make a stitch. Overlock it. Keep seam allowance direction upwards and make a top stitch. Similarly, I'll stitch the back. So I have attached yoke and bodies, and also my sister has converted this plain top into a customized one by doing this freehand painting on the top. To make it look more creative and attractive, she has done this beautiful one-stroke floral pattern all over the top. If you want to see detailed video, link is in the description box. You can check it out, and do subscribe her channel for more such videos. Now I'll stitch the shoulder slope on both sides. Overlock it. Now I'll finish the neckline and armholes using cord piping. I already have a detailed video on the same. I've shared the link in the description box. So I'm just skipping this part. I've finished the neckline and armholes, and this is how it looks. Now I'll finish the bottom of the top. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll stitch the back side. Lastly, I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. And with this, my top is completed, and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.